Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to video number 2. In this video, we're going to talk about 2 powerful tools that you can use in your online business to make a ton of money. And if you're making money, these powerful tools are going to actually help you to make more money. So we're going to talk about reason why and scarcity. Now, 2 things that you have to use in every single affiliate marketing campaign, everything that you promote as an affiliate. And if you use these 2 correctly in your business, you're gonna take everything to the next level. All right, so let me explain. Let me talk about the first one, which is reason why. So, in order for someone to buy something from you, you need to give them a reason, a bigger reason. So, in last video, I talked about story. How important it is to have a story behind everything, every campaign that you do. So, a story is important, but another thing that's just gonna really make sure that you get the most out of every single visitor or lead, whatever you do, is to have a reason why. So you have that awesome story. Next step is to give them another good reason to buy something from you. Now think about it like this. As an affiliate, you're gonna promote products that are being promoted by hundreds of other affiliates. You're not the only one who's promoting something, right? You're gonna have a ton of competition. You're not gonna be the only one. So the best way to stand out is to give your visitors, your leads, a good reason to buy from you and only you, not someone else. And in order for you to actually do that, to give them a good reason, you're gonna give them bonuses, extra value. For example, let's say we're promoting a weight loss product. What you can do is you can add another like ebook training to it and say, hey, if you get this, if you decide to buy this or become a member of this program, you're gonna get this extra training. This extra training is gonna explain how you can lose, 20 pounds by running 5 minutes a day. So, I mean, I know it's not realistic, but you get the point. You add more value. Now, when you add more value to the product, first of all, you make people to actually buy from you and only you. Also, you make sure that they're actually going to be happy with the product they're buying. So this is the most important thing. You got to give them a reason to buy just from you. So that's the number thing. The second thing is scarcity. Now, this is something that I know that you see a lot, you see all these special promotions and all of that stuff. So this is scarcity, right? You actually say, hey, this is a limited thing. This is a limited offer. If you decide to claim it right now, you're gonna get this, but if you come back tomorrow, you're not gonna get this. This is a marketing tactic, and a lot of people do that, right? And here is where a lot of people make mistakes. So what happens is that a lot of people have this, special promotions by default in their campaigns. So when someone doesn't buy something, they're gonna just after a while they're gonna offer a like 50% off or something like that. So they try to do their best to have someone buy something. Okay, now let me tell you a story. Now this story is actually going to explain why this is such a bad thing to do. This is going to hurt your business. First of all, this is going to hurt your business in an unimaginable way. It's just terrible for your business. Okay, it's not good because it's going to hurt your brand, and it's going to hurt you, your brand as an affiliate marketer, as a business owner. So you don't want to do that. Let me explain something. This is a story. So about year and a half ago, I moved to this new apartment. So I wanted to get some couches, some new awesome couches for my new apartment. So I went to this store. I was just shopping around to see, because I was looking for a specific style. So I was just shopping around to see if I can find that specific type of couch that I'm looking for. So I go to this store, this huge store, where they sell all these furnitures and all of that stuff. So I see that the 50-60% of the store is on sale. It's like, hey, today only, we're gonna give you 70% off, 60% off, and something like that. So this was really cool. I was like, nice. I mean, I was looking around, I was trying to just find something that I like so I can buy it, but unfortunately I couldn't, and I was bummed out. I was bummed because I wanted to get that deal. I wanted to get that 60% off, but I just couldn't find the right couch. I just couldn't find it. So I just left the store, and went out, you know, to other places to look for it. But then a couple of days later, like I think that was like 2 days later, I came back to the store and saw the same sign. I was saying that the whole store, like 50% of the store is on sale. If you decide to buy right now, you're gonna get 60% off. So immediately I found out that this is like their marketing strategy, you know. This is not a special sale. This is just a tactic, and this store is gonna be on sale forever. Now, immediately what I thought, at me as a customer or as a potential customer, this thing came to my mind that maybe I don't want to buy from this because they're just trying to sell, right? This is what actually goes through your customer's mind when you have a business that is always on sale. So you don't want to have that type of business, okay? You don't want to have that type of business. You want to make sure that when you offer something special, you know, when you offer a bonus, for example, you want to make sure that bonus is limited time. So if they don't claim that bonus, immediately they're going to lose it. All right, so now what I have for you under this video is a really good one, something really awesome that you're gonna use. Under this video, you're gonna be able to download a PDF file. This PDF file is gonna give you a list of resources and websites that you can use, tools and websites and resources that you can use to create bonuses for products that you promote as an affiliate. And I know that you don't know how to promote products at this point. You know, you might say, hey Sean, I'm confused. I don't even know how to promote these things. How I'm supposed to create bonuses. I know, but I want you to look at these things, okay? Take a look at these resources and see exactly how I, as a super affiliate, go out and create bonuses for products that I promote. It's absolutely amazing. A big list of, you know, websites, places that I do research, tools that I use, and all of that. So it's absolutely amazing. Make sure to download it, go through all of these websites, take a look at them, and see exactly how I do this, how I add more value, and how I get people to just buy from me and only me, not anyone else. All right, so definitely you should take a look at it. There's going to be a link under this video, so download the PDF file. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching this second video. In third video, we're going to get into the interesting things and a big lie, a massive lie about traffic, and something really important you need to understand about traffic. And this is why a lot of people try to make money online, but they don't make any money because they just don't understand this important thing about traffic. So in third video, we're going to talk about traffic, and we're going to get started with we're going to get into actual details of affiliate marketing more and more. Again, I'm trying to take you through this whole thing step by step so you understand everything correctly and you just get everything right. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Leave a comment under this video and let me know that you're ready for the next video. I want you to, again, as I've said before, I want you to interact with me. So just leave a comment, let me know that you're ready for the next video, because next video is going to be absolutely awesome. You're going to enjoy that video and you're going to learn a lot of great stuff from that video. So download the PDF, go through these resources that I use to provide extra value as an affiliate in every product that I promote, and also leave a comment and let me know that you're ready for the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video.